Today we are making this Palak Pate ki chaat. It comes out super crunchy guys. We are making it in just the way we used to eat outside at events. So hey foodies, welcome to Cooking Shooking. I'm sharing a lot of tips and tricks for making this perfect. We are also going to make the round and perfect crunchy bundis in the same video. Here I have the palak which is washed and clean in water. Guys, please don't take very large leaves. Try to take medium or small sized ones just like this. Now let's pat them dry in a cloth and we'll let it sit to dry for about 10 minutes. As these dry, let's make the batter. This will be for palak as well as for the bundi. Here I have got 1 cup of besan or gram flour, half a cup of rice flour. We are going to add salt to taste. I've also got some chili flakes and a pinch of baking soda. You can also add a little bit of ajwain or carom seeds if you want to. Give it a mix and we'll use water to make a medium thick batter. The batter shouldn't be very thick or thin, make it lump free just like this. This is perfect for making both crunchy palak as well as for making round and crunchy bundi. We'll let it rest for about 10 minutes. As the batter is resting, here I've got some dahi. Normally we whisk it a lot to make it smooth as well as to dissolve the sugar. Here I've got a small trick. Just add the sugar into it, cover it up and let it rest in the refrigerator for 10 to 15 minutes. After 10 minutes you can see the batter is also ready. Consistency needs to be just like this. Now we'll take palak one by one, dip it in the batter and coat it on both the sides. Now we will carefully drop it into medium hot oil. If the oil is too hot, then the rice flour in this batter will remain raw. So keep the flame medium and cook them until they are golden brown on both the sides. Here you can see the color is getting golden. Let's take them out now. You can see the crunchiness on this. Super light and crunchy these come out guys. You have to try this one. I'm doing the second batch also. Now for making the bundi, which is going to be round and crunchy and crispy, here I've got the jhara. The recipe is very simple. Just take the batter, add it on the jhara and let it drop. You don't have to assist the jhara, it will naturally drop and you'll get perfect round bundis just like this. Fry them until they are golden brown and your bundi will also be ready. This will be the topping for the chaat. Now let's make it. Here I've got a plate. I'm placing a palak patta. You can still see how crunchy these are. We'll spike them with some masalas. Here I've got some red chili powder, some black salt, bhuna hua jeera powder or roasted jeera powder, some kali mirch. These are the masalas which will make it super flavorful and tasty. Remember we added some sugar in the dahi. Right now you can see it is all dissolved. We just have to give it a good whisk and after that our dahi will be ready. We'll pour it on top of the palak. We already have a lot of texture in this. We have to add something soft as well. Here I have got some boiled potatoes. You can also add some ubla hua chana or chola into this. After that, we'll just top it with the chaat chutneys. Here is the green one which is spicy and fresh, along with the red one which is sweet and sour, made with dates and tamarind. We'll do the second layer of masalas. Here I've got some red chili powder, kala namak, chaat masala and jeera powder, along with some coriander leaves, our homemade bundi and some anar. Here is our palak patta chaat ready. How was the video guys? If you enjoyed it, give it a like and share it with your friends. I hope to see you soon with one more video. That's all for today. Bye, take care, happy cooking.